Hello, everyone. Are you wondering about the average salary for a maintenance worker in the United States? Let's explore. The average annual gross salary for a maintenance worker is approximately $43,000, which translates to about $3,583 per month. After federal taxes, the annual take-home pay is around $36,000, or approximately $3,000 monthly. Where you work plays a significant role in how much you earn. For instance, maintenance workers in California earn an average of $51,000 annually, while in Texas, the average salary is closer to $40,000. Experience also impacts earnings. Entry-level maintenance workers with less than 1 year of experience typically earn around $38,000 annually. With 1 to 4 years of experience, the average salary increases to approximately $42,000. Those with extensive experience or specialized skills in plumbing, electrical systems, or HVAC maintenance can earn over $55,000 annually. Skills such as troubleshooting, equipment repair, and preventive maintenance can further influence salary levels. Maintenance workers employed in industries such as manufacturing, healthcare, or large-scale facilities often command higher wages due to the complexity and demands of their roles. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching, and see you later. Goodbye.